Do this and I guarantee that you will feel so much lighter and brighter in yourself. All you have to do is follow along with me. So get ready to move. This is a little bit of Kundalini Yoga and meditation with me, Kiranjot.
Going 20 more seconds. Stretch those arms all the way down to the fingertips. We're going to open up the meridians in the body. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Place your hands on your heart. Chant along. Love, 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 deep, long, loving breaths. And be with any pain or sadness that is there. No, that is just part of the human condition. And that as we go through it, we can heal it. So literally, press the love into your heart. Let's do one more round. Love, 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 I am love, 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 you are love, 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 you are love, 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 send your love, send your healing to someone you love, someone who needs. And know that as you, we're all healers. As you create more space within yourself, you have more capacity for love and compassion and for healing. And that will serve you so well in navigating life. We must never, ever, ever lose connection to our hearts, for that's what makes us human.
Yay! You did it, well done! Now before you scroll on, please place your hands over your heart, close your eyes and take a deep breath into that sweet spot within you. Take a mental picture of it, because the more you're aware of it, the easier it is to access. Now you've done yourself a favour, please do me one. Like and subscribe to my channel. Or perhaps you've got a friend who needs this. Please share it with them, because we all need healing, perhaps more now than ever before. And of course, if you want to do more yoga and meditation with me, then all the links are below for you to join my live classes. It really is that easy. Take good care of yourselves. Sat Nam.